what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this professional hair trimmer, Sejoy, with the model number Hunter. This hair trimmer got 2 modes, 2 speed, USB charging, got 4 watts, ceramic cutter blade, 2 hours charging time, 800 milliamp battery, operating time, it's not written here. So this is it. Now let's open it. Inside you can get a comb, the manual, oil, charging cable, and it's a USB type C, little brush, extra blade, this is the extra blade, and now you got the guide combs. Now to the clipper or trimmer himself, USB charging, and it's a plastic like a silver or something like that. This is the blade, so you can adjust the blade through this place, as you can see. And you can easily snap out the blade. Okay, putting it back. Just like that. Now the power button. As you can hear, got 2 speed. The first speed is the fastest, and the second one the lowest. So you can use this discount code on Amazon US and get 20% off. See that? Let's make an RPM test. Oh, it is fast. 6,600 no, 6,700 RPM. 5,500 RPM for the second one.